Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. It's my Boxycharm Premium. Yay! It's finally came in the mail. This is a $35 full-size beauty subscription box where you get makeup, skincare, and all your beauty needs. It's a 6 to 7 products, but usually it is 6 full-size products. That's in here that comes in this box monthly to your doorstep. So yeah, that's everything. If you want to learn more, the link is down in the description box. Get no commission, get no money, but you know, get points. So yeah, but if you want to help a sister out, also my Macari is down in the description box, plus all the items that I show in this box and the retails, and also my total of the box. So, and also if you want to know the weight of the box, down in the description box. Yeah, wait, does it say here? Nope, it doesn't say here. So again, down in the description box, go check that out. Anyways, let's get into this baby. By the way, it's supposed to be over $175 worth of product. They did change it to $213, but I don't know about that because I don't know about that. I think that's for a future box. But this box is supposed to be more than $175, and the base box, which they have, is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size items. I put that video before this one, so go check it out. I will leave it in the cards. Yeah, and the theme is Candy Shop for October 2020. So I opened the box, and this is what I see. I scanned Candy Shop, and I got variation 8. You can always find your variation at the back of the card. And the first thing is that what I picked is the Kasos foundation. I got it in the last shade, tone 10. Hopefully it's my shade. This foundation has been giving people troubles when opening, so I just hope when I open it, it actually works. Oh, it came a little squish. Is this supposed to be like that, or did someone use it? Hold up. Let me see. No, it doesn't look used. Ooh, okay. It's coming up. It's really liquidy. Okay. It is a foundation oil, and I believe it retails for $35. Let me see. Nope, this Kasos tinted face oil foundation, a clean featherweight light coverage foundation and hydrating skin elixir, retails for $42. Oh, it's very red, but it blends into my skin beautifully. Okay, I can see me rocking this. Just a light tint. I'm down. And it smells like oils. It smells like essential oils. So if you have like a allergy to essential oils or anything else, then don't get this foundation. And your choices, by the way, you get to choose a product every single month. Well, a choice for next month already passed, but you get to choose every single month out of like 3 to sometimes 4 products, and you choose one. So yeah, so the next thing we have is the Clarins Instant Smooth Primer. I actually wanted to try this baby out. This retails for $39. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this out. I cannot wait to try this out. It's a big box. It came with the spatula. Usually when Boxycharm or Ipsy, also I get Ipsy, again linked in the cards above, comes with stuff, it doesn't come with the spatula. And it came with the spatula, and it came with the pamphlet. It came with everything. Okay, I'm impressed, Boxycharm. I'm in MF press. Okay, I'm impressed. All right, we got this face oil that I didn't get my Fenty brow product or the MAC lashes, because that was the variation for this. I was really hoping to get one of the MAC lashes, But you know, another lip balm. Yay. Even though I bought like lip balms and I got a lip balm at my Etsy, again, up in the cards. Go check those videos out. But dang, okay. Anyways, I'm excited to have another lip balm. This lip balm retails for $18. Ultra hydrating hyaluronic lip balm delivering advanced lip care powered by active botanicals that transport you to a sport state of mind. Cool. Another kasos product. Kasos, whatever. Then we have swipey to go pads. These are exfoliating pads. I can always use another exfoliating pad, so I'm down for that. Ooh, that was really hard. Oh, it says we all need some magic swipey pad thingies. It actually says thingies. Wow. Okay. I guess the brand name is Go-To. Yep, Go-To Skincare. Exfoliating wipes. These single-use exfoliating pads soak in all natural solution to get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effect of lactic acid, the most gentle of AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils. So this has essential oils in it and AHAs. I wish I didn't open it because you know how I am with AHAs. I'm more of a BHAs type of girl. But I'll use it. I'll try it. And it smells like citrus, so I probably would like it. Great. Okay. Next product, please. Oh, I got like deodorant all over my pants. My deodorant broke all over me. So yeah. So that's like 4 products. Okay, we have 2 left. What's the next? I'm feeling a lipstick. Laura Geller. I saw the spoiler for this. This is Laura Geller Locket Kip Liquid Lipstick. Retails for $21. I'm debating if I should open it. Kind of looks like it already been open. It looks like it's already been open. And it has been open. So I'm not going to open that. See, a lot of people get their palette swatched. I got a lipstick that was already opened. Yay, me. Okay, the last thing is something that I will be selling on my Macari. Again, shop my Macari down below. The box wants to fall. Is this palette. This is the Illuminati times Issa Badea palette. Is very colorful. It's very pastel-y, but the yellow is a shimmer. I'm not going to open it up. It's going to be in original packaging, but if you want to see the colors and everything else, go check someone else's video and see swatches. Go check out someone else's video. I will leave some links to some videos of unboxings down below in the description box, but that's it for my box. Let me add up the total and then we'll be at the end of this video. So this box retailed for $203 with everything in it, and without the Laura Geller lipstick, it's $182. Let's just say I do not like the lipstick, but I do mind the lip balm. I do like the foundation. It blended in really well, gave a little nice hydrating tint. I do like the primer. I really wanted to get some clarins primer. I do like the swipies. I'm going to not use it like every single time, but I do like it. So with all that and accounted for, I like it. I'm okay with it. Yeah. I liked my base box better than my premium this month. I hope next month is way much better, especially with the choice item that I picked. If you haven't seen the Boxycharm choices and add-ons video, again, and the cards are at the end of this video. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you know when I upload. And I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and every single Sunday, unless we have surprise unboxings. Anyways, bye guys. Head right here. Videos right there. Go check them out.